Hi everybody, Adam from LS2 Helmets. I want to show you how to remove and reinstall the cheek pad and liners on your LS2 Verso helmet. First thing you want to do, open up that shield all the way to the top, just to make sure we have enough room there. And the next step I like to do, I like to grab a nice little microfiber cloth, something I can lay the helmet on when I flip it over, just to give me better access to the inside of the helmet. So first step I do, I remove the cheek pads. These simply just unsnap from the liner of the helmet. Unthread that chin strap and get that out of the way, and go ahead and repeat it on the other cheek. Cheek pads are held in by 3 snaps, very, very easy. After that, we move on to the top liner itself, and from there, we just have to pull out on the back here. This is just kind of a press fit with these plastic piece here that's in between the shell and the EPS of the helmet. Once we've done that, now we can remove the front of the liner here. And that is simply held in by these tabs right here along the front of the liner. I just kind of lift up that first tab, and that will release it from will release the liner from the slot here. And now we can take that top liner all the way out. And now these liners are ready to be washed if we need to, or replaced. To reinstall the liners, again, give yourself good access to the inside of that helmet. And from there, we're going to start with the front of that top liner. And we'll start on one side and then just work our way across the front. So take our plastic piece here and line it up underneath this tab. I can lift this tab ever so slightly, just to give myself a little bit of room there in case I need a little bit of extra purchase. Again, just lining those tabs up over and under here. Now, last one's a trickier one. We just have to get that last little tab right under the EPS here. Okay, now we've got that front reinstalled. We move on to the back. Get those chin straps on the other underside of there. And from there, we're just going to line up this plastic piece between the EPS liner and the shell of the helmet underneath of this little neck roll here. Helps to start on one side, just kind of work your way around. And once you get it started, it tends to help feed itself into there, into that little channel. And I just work my fingers along the back here. I can move this around ever so slightly wherever I need to, just to make sure everything's in the right spot. There we go. So we've got that reinstalled. Now we move back onto the cheek pads. These are labeled left and right. If you're not actually sure, just kind of hold it up to your face and you'll feel the contour that you need. So first thing we do, line up that chin strap and thread that cheek pad on. Make sure I have it in the right way, which I don't. So let's make sure we get the right one into the correct position. All right, once I've got that chin strap threaded through the cheek pad, all I have to do now is snap in the buttons together here, and you'll hear those give you a good little snap sound here. Like so. And now we get this cheek pad in here, thread the chin strap through, line it up, and then just snap it into place. Like so. Now we've got everything reinstalled. We can tuck in the ear flaps in behind the top liner here, whatever is most comfortable for us, and we are good to go and ready for a ride.